Safe, predictable three-box commuter sedans hiding behind uninspired facelifts. For a long time, the mainstream automotive segment has been playing it safe, treating cars as simple pieces of iron. But right now, the global stage is witnessing a massive, highly calculated digital metamorphosis. Welcome back to Vision Effect TV. I'm Ava. Today, we are completely bypassing the generic automotive show PR fluff to stage a highly rigorous, analytical breakdown of a global benchmark that has just made its official world premiere, the all-new Hyundai Avante. Hyundai has unleashed a platform specifically engineered to prove that a compact sedan shouldn't just adapt to the future, it should actively lead it. We're looking directly past the surface metal to isolate this machine's structural styling, intelligent software architecture, and mechanical evolution. For any driver seeking an elevated, highly integrated experience, transportation shouldn't just be functional, it must be an absolute statement. Let's look at the data. The physical cabin architecture has shifted entirely into a software-defined vehicle grid, anchored by Hyundai's highly advanced, cloud-native ccOS operating system. This isn't just a standard infotainment update, it is an intelligent, deeply integrated digital ecosystem running on ultra-fast processors to deliver lightning-fast computing, fluid 3D graphics, and deep vehicle control integration. The entire system supports hyper-advanced over-the-air software updates, meaning everything from the powertrain maps and braking calibration to the advanced autonomous safety suites can be enhanced while the vehicle is parked in your garage. Combined with a dual panoramic display matrix, biometric access validation, and a predictive AI assistant, the environment completely bridges the gap between premium luxury and modern tech ecology. To fully comprehend the tactical mission of the new Avante, you must analyze the extreme geometric discipline behind its exterior evolution. The outer shell takes the brand's signature parametric dynamics, design language, and completely weaponizes it, rejecting the soft, rounded profiles that dominate today's uninspired commuter market. The front end sits noticeably lower, wider, and significantly more aggressive, introducing a razor-sharp geometric grille structure that seamlessly integrates into the low-slung LED matrix headlight topology. This creates an uninterrupted, broad-set visual line that makes the vehicle look like an absolute high-status predator on the asphalt, even while completely static. Look closer at the side profile. This is where the mathematical complexity of Hyundai's design studio truly shines. The deeply sculpted, three-line triangular character creases cut through the air with absolute physical precision, behaving like micro-canards to clean up trailing air currents while maximizing high-status road presence. Every single panel line meets at a sharp, calculated intersection point, catching the ambient light to create a constantly changing, highly muscular three-dimensional illusion. Furthermore, the track width has been heavily optimized, pushing the wheels farther out to the absolute edges of the flared wheel arches. This low center of gravity configuration, paired with a stretched wheelbase, doesn't just project sports sedan performance, it ensures massive lateral stability and reduced body roll before the platform's digital brains even engage. Hyundai has effectively taken a mainstream everyday sedan and given it the raw, wide-body physical proportions of a track-focused machine. Supporting this massive digital transformation is a highly optimized, ultra-efficient Smartstream powertrain lineup paired with an advanced chassis setup that actively dampens cabin noise while sharpening steering response. Hyundai didn't just write new software, they integrated it seamlessly with physical engineering efficiency to ensure maximum real-world reliability on open asphalt. This brings us directly to my definitive, tactical verdict. Does the all-new Avante successfully shift from a simple commuter to a software leader? My answer is a resounding, absolute yes. By beautifully marrying an aggressive, parametric stance with a cutting-edge ccOS computing platform, Hyundai has engineered a highly versatile lifestyle asset that leaves the competition chasing dust. If you want to track the absolute front lines of global mobility and automotive tech culture, hit that subscribe button to Vision Effect TV right now. Drop your raw analytical insights in the comments below. Did Hyundai just build the smartest sedan on the market? I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the very next technical breakdown.